This video looks at how to use an x value, such as a critical value, of a normal distribution. First, let's find this value in distribution. Then return to run matrix. We can now easily recall and use the calculated values. For the x value, press vars and stat, then result and dist. Press x1 inverse normal and execute. This method can also be used for right-hand tails. We can also recall the x values, especially critical values, for two-tailed tests. Let's find these values in distribution. Then in run matrix, navigate as before. Press x1 inverse normal for the left-hand value, then execute, and x2 inverse normal, then execute for the right-hand value.